when expenses is lesser than income. When income is more than expenses, then it is profit. So how we can do on the basis of journal entry? So consignee account to consignment account. Again, bank or bills receivable account to consignee account. The consignee has to make some security deposit with consignor before taking the contract. In this problem, we don't have any accidental loss account because no accident happened, no goods lost in transit. Hello my dear students, I am Rajay sir, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, Mysuru, Temple of Excellence. My dear students, in today's session I am going to handle the subject Financial Accounting 2 for second sem BCom, and the topic is Accounting for Consignment Transaction. In the previous session also we were discussing about the problems on consignment. Now also we will discuss one more problem on the consignment. On 1/1/2008, Pooja Textile Limited, Pune, consigned 2000 sarees costing rupees 200 each to Mayuri Traders Mandya at an invoice price of rupees 240 rupees. So what is the actual cost price of the saree is 200 rupees. What is the invoice price or billing price is 240. When they give invoice price, we should calculate the stock reserve. They paid rupees 2800 for packing and 8000 for freight and 4000 as a transit insurance. So how much they have paid? 2800 for packing, 8000 for freight, 4000 for insurance. For how many sarees? For 2000 sarees. So add all the expenses. So it is 12 plus it is 14,800 direct expenses by the consignor. Next one, Mayuri Traders took delivery of the consignment on 7/1/2008 and paid 5,000 rupees as entry tax and rupees 1,000 for clearing charges. So how much consignee has paid? So 5,000 plus 1,000. So he has paid 6,000 rupees as a direct expenses. Next one, they accepted a bill drawn upon them by Pooja Textile Limited for rupees 1,50,000 rupees. He has accepted a bill. That means B, bills receivable. So he has to make. So the consignee has to make some security deposit with consignor before taking the contract or before taking the order. So how much he has to pay? He has to pay 1,50,000 rupees as the security deposit. So he is paying in the form of bill. Next one, on 31st/3/2008, Mayuri Traders reported that 1,100 sarees were sold for rupees 260 rupees each for cash. How many sarees we sold or we sent? 2,000 sarees we have sent. So out of that, 1,100 for cash basis and remaining 600 sarees were sold for credit basis. 600 sarees were sold for credit basis. So remaining sarees are unsold or closing stock. So deduct 1,100, again deduct 600. So how much will get? So 1,700 minus 200, 300 sarees are unsold or closing stock. So here we don't have any accidental loss or we don't have any stock destroyed because of accident or any other thing. So full sarees, he has 2,000 sarees received by the consignee. Out of 2,000, he has sold 1,100 for cash basis, 600 sarees for credit basis, remaining is unsold or closing stock. Now, other expenses incurred by consignee is, so it is a indirect expenses. These are all indirect expenses. These expenses, don't take these expenses for calculation of closing stock. Only take these expenses while calculating the or while doing the problem. So go down 4,500, salesman salary 6,000 and advertisement 3,000 and sundry expenses 1,250. Next one, Mayuri Traders entitled to And ordinary commission means on total sales. How many sales he has done? So he has sold 1700 sarees. So on 1700 sarees, how much commission we have to pay? 5% commission we have to pay. So on del creditor means on credit sale. Del creditor means on credit sale we have to pay 3% commission. What is the credit sale here? So credit sale is 600 sarees. So on 600 sarees we have to pay del creditor commission 3% extra commission. So prepare consignment to Mandya account, that means consignment to place account, Mayuri traders account, consignee account, Puja textile accounts in the books of consignee, Now let's calculate let's do the problem. Now let's calculate the total sales. So what is the cash sales? So here what is the cash sales here? So cash sales is here 1100 is the cash sale. For how much we are selling? For 260 rupees. So 1100 sarees into 260 rupees. Again, what is the credit sale? So for 600 sarees at 275. 600 sarees into 275. Now let's calculate this. So 1100 into 260 equals to 2,86,000. Again 600 into 275 sarees, it is 1,65,000. Add both the amount, so 2,86,000 equals to 4,51,000 is the total sales. Now let's calculate the commission. So on cash sales we have to give ordinary commission. At what is the rate of ordinary commission here? Let's calculate. Rate of ordinary commission is 5%. Del creditor commission is 3%. So ordinary commission 5%. Del creditor commission is 3%. Now what is the total sales here? So on total sales we have to give ordinary commission. So 4,51,000 into 5 by 100 is the total commission we have to pay. So equals 22,550 is the total commission or ordinary commission. Again, so on the credit sale, what is our credit sale? Credit sale is 1,65,000. On 1,65,000 we have to pay 3% commission, del creditor commission. So it is 1,65,000 into 3 by 100. So it is 4,950. 4,950. So total commission is equals to 27,500 is the total commission payable to consignee. Now let's calculate the closing stock. So what is the total sarees consigned? Total sarees consigned here 2000 sarees we have consigned. So it is 2000 sarees. So here, is there any sarees lost because of accident? No, it is nil. Again, is there any goods still in transportation or transit? That is also nil. Is nil. Here also nil. We don't have any goods in transit. So how many sarees sold? So how many sarees sold? So 1100 for cash basis, 600 for credit basis, 1700 sarees sold. So it is 1700. Divide this amount. So remaining is the closing stock. Remaining is the closing stock. Now let's come to one more calculation of value of closing stock. What is the value of closing stock? What is the value, actual value of 300 sarees? So cost price of the sarees or See, if they give cost price, take cost price. If they give invoice price, please consider invoice price only, okay? Invoice price. So if they give in the problem, if they give cost price, take cost price. If they give invoice price, take invoice price only. What is the invoice price? 240 rupees is the invoice price. Now, what is the expenses of consignor? Only direct expenses or recurring expenses we should take, okay? What is the direct expenses here? See here. So total expenses made by consignor or the Pooja textile. So 2800, 8000 and 4000 for how many sarees? For 2000 sarees. But we need only for what is the amount for 300 sarees. That means we should calculate. We have to identify what is the actual expenses by consignor per saree, per one saree. That means 14,800. So if we add all the amount 2,800, 8,000 and 4,000. So divided by how many sarees? Total sarees 2,000 sarees equals to, so 14,800 divided by 2,000 saree is 7.4 rupees per saree. How much he has spent? 7.4 rupees into what is our closing stock? 300 sarees into 300 equals to 7.4 into 300 equals to 2,220 is the expenses of consignor for 300 sarees. So he has spent for full lot or full sarees. How many sarees he has sent? So total sarees he has sent is 2,000 sarees. On 2,000 sarees he has spent 14,800. So if 2,000 sarees 14,800, for what is our closing stock? 300 sarees. So for 300, what is the expense of consignor? So for one saree it is 7.4 rupees into 300 equals to 2,220. Expenses of consignor equals to 2,220. Now again, so I will write here. So 14,800 divided by 2,000 sarees into 300. Understood? Now, expense of consignee, take only direct expenses, don't take indirect expenses. So these are all indirect expenses, don't take these expenses, only direct expenses we should consider. What is the direct expenses here? So he has spent that 1,100 sarees here, direct expenses, the consignment and the paid 500 rupees on entry tax and rupees 1,000 for clearing charges. So total amount is 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees for how many sarees? There is no any accidental loss. He has received full sarees or he has received full goods sent on consignment. Divided by 2,000 equals to 6,000 divided by 2,000 salary equals to 3 rupees into how many sarees in closing stock? 300 sarees into 300 equals to 900 rupees is the expenses made by consignee. So here 6,000 divided by 2,000 into 300 sarees. So how much? 900 rupees. 900 rupees. Here this is 240 into how many sarees? 300. So it is 240 into 300 sarees. It is 72,000. So 72,000 plus 2,220 plus 900 equals to 75,120 is the value of closing stock. So what is our actual invoice price of the saree? 72,000. Expenses of direct expenses of consignor 2,220. Direct expenses of consignee 900. Total it is 75,120 is the value of closing stock. Now coming to the calculation of total sales. So what is the cash sales? So we already done this one. Coming to the calculation of stock reserve. So what is our stock reserve? Invoice. What is invoice price? 240 is the invoice price. Minus what is the cost price? Cost price is 200. So 200 into what is the consignment? 2000 sarees the consignment. So when they give invoice price, we should calculate the stock reserve. If they give cost price, we should not take the stock reserve. So 240 minus 200 into 2000 saree. The profit included here is 80,000. Again here also invoice price 240 minus cost price 200 equals to 40 rupees into what is the closing stock? This is closing stock. So what is the closing stock? Into 300. So it is 40 into 300 equals to 12,000. So what is our formula? Invoice price minus cost price into closing stock value, it is 12,000. Now let's go to the problem. In the books of consignor, so who is the consignor here? In the books of consignor, Pooja Textile. So change this. In the books of consignor, Pooja Textile consignmento. So where we are consigning? So we are consigning Mayuri Traders Mandya, consignment to Mandya account. So change here consignment to Mandya account. Next, so goods sent on consignment account. So how much goods? Invoice. What is the invoice price here? 240 is the invoice price. Into what is the total saree we are consigning? 2000 saree we have consigned. It is 240 into 2000 equals to 4,80,000. Next one, to bank account. So what is the expenses of consignor? Expenses of consignor. So to bank account, expense of consignor. What are the expenses of consignor here? Who is the consignor? So Pooja Limited is the consignor. So what are the expense of consignor here? So total expenses is 14,800. 2,800 plus packing 2,800, 8,000 for freight, 4,000 for transit, 14,800. So we can write here what is the amount? 2,800, 8,000, 4,000. Packing 2,800. So and next one for packing 8,000, freight 8,000, 4,000 for transit. So freight 8,000, 4,000 for transit. So if you add all three amount, 2,800, 8,000, 4,000, so you'll get 14,800 is the expense of consignor. Next one, the expenses of consignee, to consignee account, expense of consignee. So take all the expenses. It may be direct and indirect. Take all the expense of consignee. So what is the expense of consignee? We'll add here. So what are the expenses of consignee? Direct expenses and indirect expenses. So here he has spent 5,000 plus 6,000 as direct. So let's add here. So 5,000 plus 1,000. Again, so he has spent here 4,500. Again 6,000 and 3,000. 6,000, 3,000. One more item, 1,250. 1,250. Add all the items. So 5,000 plus 1,000 plus 4,500 plus 6,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,250. So it is 20,750. So let's write here expense of consignee expense of consignee 20,750. Now next point, to consignee account, total commission of consignee. So what is the total commission we have to pay to consignee here? So our commission payable to consignee is 27,500 is the commission payable to consignee, 27,500. So it is consignee 27,500. Next one, by consignee account. So sales made by consignee. What is the total sales he has made? So total sales, let's calculate the, already we have calculated the total sales. So it is 4,51,000. 4,51,000 is the total sales. Next one, accidental loss is nil. We don't have any accidental loss here. What is the value of closing stock? Now we have already calculated the value of closing stock is 75,120. 75,120. Next one, stock reserve. So we have calculated the stock reserve on goods sent on consignment. See here, goods sent on consignment. Here, stock reserve on goods sent on consignment. Closing stock, stock reserve on closing stock. Now, what is the stock reserve on goods sent on consignment is 80,000. Again, stock reserve on closing stock is 12,000. Now let's calculate this is debit side, this is credit side. So let's calculate which is more. So if which side is more, tally that amount both the side and take the difference or identify the difference. 4,51,000 plus 75,120 plus 80,000. Now credit side equals to 6,06,120. Now let's add debit side. 4,80,000 plus 14,800 plus 20,750 plus 27,500 plus 12,000. So our debit side value is 5,55,050, which is more. So credit side is more. So let's tally both the side, credit side amount, and let's identify the difference in debit side. So 6,06,120. Now let's identify the difference. So if you deduct 5,55,050 rupees from 6,61,120, we will get the difference. So that is the profit. So when expenses is lesser than income, when income is more than expenses, then it is profit. When expenses is more than income, then it is loss. So if we get the profit and loss account in credit side, that represents loss. If you get the profit and loss account in debit side, represents the profit. So here income is more than expenses, the difference is profit. Difference is 51,070 is the profit and loss account or profit. Now let's go to the consignee account. Who is consignee here? So consignee is Mayuri Traders or Mayuri Traders. Mandya is the consignee. Now what is the total consignment made by consignee? So consignee total amount made by consignee or sold by consignee is 4,51,000. So here 4,51,000. So this amount has to send to the consignor. Consignee has to send this amount to consignor bank account. Before sending, he will deduct his amount paid as a security deposit, and also he will deduct his expenses paid or expenses happened while selling the goods of consignor, again his commission. So he will deduct all three items. Remaining amount will be sent to consignor. So this is the actual concept. So on the basis of journal entry, so how we can do on the basis of journal entry? So consignee account to consignment account, again bank or bills receivable account to consignee account, consignment account to consignee account, again consignment account to consignee account being the commission to consignee, again bank account to consignee account being the check sent. Now, so what are the amount he has to deduct? He has to deduct his deposit as bills or bank. What is the amount he has paid? So he has paid 1,50,000 rupees as a security deposit. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Again, he has to deduct his expenses. What is the expense of consignee we have done here? So total expense of consignee is 20,750. So it is 20,750. Again, the commission. What is the amount commission payable to consignee is 27,500. So 27,500. So you will deduct all the amount. Remaining amount will be transferred to consignor's bank account. So he has to send 2,52,750 has to send to consignor bank account. So out of 4,51,000. 4,51,000. Also 4,51,000. Now let's go to the goods sent on consignment. In this problem, we don't have any accidental loss account because no accident happened, no goods lost in transit. So we don't have to create accidental loss account. So now why we create the accidental loss account? To get the abnormal loss. Next one, what is the total goods on consignment? So what is the total goods sent to consignment? 4,80,000. 4,80,000. Again, out of that, any stock reserve on goods sent on consignment. So what is the stock reserve on goods sent on consignment? 80,000. Remaining is trading account. Remaining is trading account. Still, goods has not been sold. Trading means still goods has not been sold. So what is the actual goods is 4 lakh. Trading is 4 lakh. This is how we have to prepare the consignment account. So in the next session also we will do one more problem on consignment. Till then, thank you so much. Let's meet in the next session.